Welcome to Google AdSense Arbitrage 2011. And if you're wondering if you can actually make money with Google AdSense Arbitrage, well, check this out. This is a Google AdSense account, $1,134,190.88. And almost all of that money came from Google AdSense Arbitrage, and over 50% of it was profit. So let me just give you a real quick overview of the history of AdSense arbitrage. Basically, it was kind of okay up until about 2007, and Google kind of put the hammer down, and a lot of people lost their accounts. But the problem is I'll show you what people were doing and kind of explain to you how this works at the same time. Okay, so they would buy ads on the Google Content Network, which are much cheaper than the regular ads on the Google regular website. So, like, they would buy ads, and the Content Network, the ads show up on sites like e-zine articles, and they show up on newspapers. They show up in your Gmail. They show up on YouTube. I mean, they're all over the place. So, what you do is, if you get down here sort of like below the top premium spots, like maybe 6, 7, something like that, the prices on these ads go way, way down. And you know something, I'm just going to click on this. I have a feeling. No. Okay, so anyway, as you get down, the prices on these ads get really cheap. And some of these ads, depending on the keyword, you can get them for like 5 to 10 cents. And I've heard of people getting them for a penny even. I personally have never been able to do that, but I have heard that it's possible. Okay, so, and let's say somebody does this one right here, and they're paying like 10 cents. And the way it used to work is you would send them to a site similar to this, and the site just basically has ads on it. So somebody comes here and they're like, this isn't what I want, but here's some links. Maybe I'll click on one of these and this will take me to what I actually do want. Well, Google being Google, the one thing you have to understand about Google in order to get along with them is they're all about quality. They just totally understand, and this has kind of been their business model since day one, is build the best possible website, and if you do that, people will use your website, and if you continue to do that, people will continue to use your website. So when they're talking about user experiences, which is kind of their catchphrase, they do like a lot of focus groups. They get feedback from people. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes, and when they run into stuff that people really, really don't like, that's when they start banning people. And as you can see, I mean, I'm sure everybody that's watching this video has experienced this. You are looking for, like, I don't know, airfare, and you click on this link, and it takes you to a page like this, and you're like, I'm sorry, I don't want to go to a page full of ads. So, in your frustration, you click one of these ads, which takes you to some other site, and hopefully takes you to where you want to go. Okay, so the way AdSense arbitrage used to work is, I know I'm getting redundant here, but anyway, like you click on this ad, it's like 10 cents, and it takes you to a page over here, and because of the keywords you've used to target this page, these ads pay like, I don't know, let's say 35 cents. So you've got a profit margin of 25 cents between like this ad and this ad. So it all comes down to, let me pull my calculator up. Okay, so at, let's say 50% of the people click through on one of these ads that come to this website, and you're getting 35 cents. So 0.35 divided by 2 equals, you're getting 17.5 cents every time somebody clicks on one of these ads, and you're paying 10 cents over here. So the difference is you're making 7.5 cents every time somebody clicks on an ad. And the key to this is just getting a lot of traffic. And as you can see, it definitely works. So that's kind of what happened back up until about 2007. However, I'm going to go over this in the next video. I'm going to show you something here real quick. This is January 21st, 2011. It's on a very well-respected blog. Did Google just OK AdWords arbitrage again? Alright, so we're going to go into that in the next video. And I'll show you why it's now a viable thing you can do in 2011.